Yo, 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 what it do? Happy Thursday, everybody. One more day closer to the weekend. It just be coming so fast, don't it? Yeah, it do. Yeah, it do. Yeah, it do. I hope everybody having a good start to their morning. You know what I'm saying? Everybody have a productive day. I'm trying to get productive already with this goddamn this Georgia bill, man, for the YSL trial, really, because they talking about, hey, you can't be using no rap lyrics to goddamn try to convict somebody. What happened to the freedom of speech amendment? You feel me? That's the First Amendment, right? Freedom of speech. What the fuck? How you gonna take somebody rap lyrics and turn them into a motherfucking case? You feel me? Like, come on, bro. When they start doing that shit, and guess who did it? Guess. Fannie fucking Willis, money hungry, bag sack chasing Fannie fucking Rico motherfucking Willis. You feel me? She's so full of shit, bro. Like, come on, man. You putting cases on people so that you can try to line your pockets because you in debt. Your pockets fucked up right now. You admitted that 50,000 that you used for your campaign, and you about to get in trouble for that because you was only supposed to use that for your campaign. You took some of that money and used some of that shit for personal use. They say that's illegal. So you just been doing all kind of weird shit. But yeah, that Rico case flimsy as fuck. You know what I'm saying? This case flimsy as fuck. We're gonna take a look at this video right here. This is this is when goddamn me they were first
amendment
talking about
to freedom
this.
of speech by encroaching
Like
on this that tears
you
up our
can't just
constitution and the fabric of our country.
Bell's bill would protect creators of movies and books and art and
you can't just
A Georgia House
take
subcommittee
fucking
is now
lyrics and
poised to advance a bill that would
try to
make it
use them
illegal
against
to use
somebody.
rap lyrics against a defendant in a criminal case.
And this case is relevant because that's exactly what's happening in the lengthy YSL RICO trial underway in Fulton County. 11 Live's Doug Richards is at the Capitol with more on this, Doug.
yes, and Republicans are advancing this bill possibly because they are fans of rap lyrics, or
Trump love
possibly
rap.
because they are
Trump 2024, man. Hate
interested
me if you
in
want
the
to. I don't give
effect
a
of the
fuck.
lyrics on a prosecution down the street
Biden
by
too
Fulton
old
County
and
prosecutor
Biden
Fonnie Willis, and they're not
Biden too full of shit. You're
whatever the reason. It put the bill written by a Democrat in a position to get a hearing today.
I done did the robbing, I done did the jacking.
Prosecutors have
free
said the
thug.
lyrics and music produced by the artist known as Young Thug is evidence that he's
Free
a
that boy
gang leader.
Thugger, man.
They have
Free
produced
Thugger,
pages
man.
of graphics
Free
showing
Thugger,
Jeffrey
man.
Williams' lyrics and are trying to convince jurors his lyrics signaled criminal intent or verified criminal behavior after the fact. But artists have long had license to produce crowd-pleasing violent movies and fantasy music, and that shouldn't be a crime, says Democrat Eric Bell.
Simply not right. We simply need to protect Americans and their First Amendment to freedom of speech by encroaching on this that tears up our constitution and the fabric of our country.
Bell's bill would protect creators of movies and books and art and music from use by prosecutors trying to tie that artistic content to criminal intent. And the subcommittee of the Judiciary Committee in the House voted to table the bill a few minutes ago. Doesn't mean the bill is completely dead. If it were to pass in this legislative session, it would not apply to the YSL trial because this legislature, though maybe it would like to at times, can't pass laws that take effect retroactively. So we'll keep an eye on it. We
Let's
are
go,
live at
man.
the
Free
Capitol tonight.
Thugger,
Back to
man.
you.
Free Thugger, man. That's some bullshit anyway. You feel me? How the fuck you trying to use some lyrics to send somebody away for the rest of their motherfucking life? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Fuck out of here with that weird ass shit. That ain't nothing but a money grab by thirsty ass Fannie motherfucking Willis. Yeah, that was the beginning of this shit. Let's find the real shit. You feel me? Because they just rude on this shit. See if I can find this shit, y'all. Spelling wrong in a bitch. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nah, this shit old. But yeah, hey, y'all understand what I'm talking about. It's looking good for Thug, man. It's looking real good for Thug on this shit. There you go, right there. Oh, right there, y'all. Found it. Check this shit out.
Recent decision by
It's
the
looking
Georgia
good for
Supreme
Thug,
Court
y'all.
reversing a 2022 murder conviction that carried a life
As they
sentence.
should.
In 2019, a security guard, Tamarco Head, was killed outside a Warner Robins nightclub. That same year, Morgan Baker was seen holding a semi-automatic pistol in a music video. A clip from that video was allowed into court as evidence, but after Baker's appeal in 2023, the state Supreme Court concluded the state failed to provide a solid link between the video and Baker's motive, and it should not have been allowed into the courtroom.
This man done went to jail
Houston County's district attorney says he still wants to bring
off of
justice to the Warner Robins
motherfucking
family.
lyrics in
2
a
years ago,
video.
a Houston jury convicted Morgan Baker of killing a guard outside a Warner Robins nightclub. Hello, and thanks for joining us. I'm Lori Johnson.
And I'm Frank Malloy. The state Supreme Court today threw out that conviction. Some judges said
Way
a
to
rap
go.
music video may have swayed the jury.
Way to
Megan
go.
Western's live to explain. Now, Megan, how did all this start?
Good evening, Frank and Lori. Now, right now, I'm outside of what used to be Club Boss. Now, this is where the shooting happened in 2019. Two Supreme Court justices said there was enough evidence here to still convict Baker without the video, but now his lawyer is saying they're looking forward to testing their trial again. On a summer night in July 2019, folks piled into Club Boss, including Morgan Baker and rapper friend No Cap. And during the night, a fight broke out outside the club.
The state's theory was that Mr. Baker, involved in that physical altercation, then went and committed the shooting.
By morning, the scene was covered in crime tape and markers, and the shooting victim, Tamarco Head, died. But Baker's attorney, Travis Griffin, told a jury that Baker wasn't the shooter. He also said Baker had no history of crime before this case.
And of course, he protests his innocence, and he testified at his own trial on his own behalf.
Now, Baker may have the chance to testify again. During Baker's trial in 2022, prosecutors showed a no-cap music video called Ghetto Angels that showed Baker holding a gun.
So
the
what?
State sought to introduce that video to the jury to show that that Mr. Baker knew the rap artist and this sort of thing.
Griffin says the video was shown several times in court. 7 of the 9 Supreme Court judges felt the video wasn't relevant to the murder case and may have unfairly swayed the jury. So the state's highest threw out his conviction.
Way to go.
It's fairly
Way to
unusual.
go, Supreme Court.
It's very exciting in a way.
Griffin says the ruling sparks conversation about how lyrics, social media, and other online postings
Freedom of
impact court
speech. Come on, man.
and gives Baker another chance.
Freedom of speech. Come on.
Game changer. It allows him to have another trial and try to present his case to a jury again.
Way to go, Georgia Supreme Court.
District Attorney William Kendall, who said he couldn't directly speak on the ruling.
Now do the same thing for YSL, baby. You can get some more of these instead of some of these. And hopefully you don't get none of these. Y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Hey, free YSL, free Young Thug. Hey, Fannie Willis is a fucking crook, man. She's a fucking crook. She's digging in the citizens' pocketbook of Georgia. Don't fall for that shit, man. Hit the notification bell, hit the subscription bell. Hey, subscribe. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. Support me. I'll support you with this information. And I'm out. Y'all be cool, man.